Good day, everyone. In the last 2 weeks, we discussed the support stage and the survivor stage. We saw how success begins with help and then moves through pressure and endurance. Today, we arrive at the stage many people long for. Today, we are talking about the stability stage. What is the stability stage? This is the stage where life becomes more predictable and it appears that you have arrived. The stability stage is the season where income becomes more regular, direction becomes clearer, pressure reduces, confidence increases. Life is no longer chaotic. You can breathe again. You are no longer merely reacting to life. You are beginning to manage it. You may be in the stability stage if your basic needs are consistently met. You have a clearer sense of direction. You can plan ahead with some confidence. Anxiety has reduced compared to earlier seasons. This stage feels good, and that's why it is dangerous. Comfort can quietly become a cage, a trap. Stability reduces anxiety but increases responsibility. So this stability stage is very, very important. It is a stage that you need to use carefully, but here is the warning. We must understand early. Stability is not the destination. Let me speak plainly to you. Many people settle permanently at the stability stage and regret it later. As you are listening to me, you might not be in the stability stage or you may be there. But note this down for future use, that stability is not a place to settle. Some people become comfortable. They stop stretching. They stop dreaming. They lose hunger. They lose their passion. They mistake stability for success. Having gone through the time of struggle and survival, stability without growth leads to stagnation. Many people stop here and regret it later. That's not where you want to go. You still have journey ahead. Success is still ahead. Stability is still ahead. Success is still ahead. Stability is still ahead. So stability provides breathing space for you. It is the season where you can think clearly. You can plan intentionally. You can build deliberately. Survivor taught you endurance. Stability now gives you structure. At this time, you have settled some basic things. Maybe you are now employed, you are rising in your career. This is where system must be built. This stage is your launch pad, not your destination. If you are wise, you will use stability to prepare for greater responsibility, greater opportunity. And this is the stage to build strong routines, build strong habits, create financial discipline, save and invest wisely, upgrade skills and knowledge, strengthen character and values. Stability is the training ground for success, and you will see later that what you build here is what determines what will sustain you later. What you build here determines how you're going to live later. So that's why you must make the best of your stability season. You need to take caution here also, because here is a trap to avoid. Comfort can quickly kill ambition. Some common pitfalls include lifestyle inflation. Because now you are comfortable, you are having income, you can begin to live above your means, and many people do. Reduced discipline, loss of vision, comfort-driven decisions. The danger is not obvious failure. It is slow decline. You must guard your habits carefully at this stage. Even in this stability stage, discipline still matters, humility still matters, learning still matters, integrity still matters. So success does not come to those who relax too early. The habit that brought you stability are the same habits that will carry you forward to the next stage of the success stages. Now let's take a moment to reflect. Let me ask you a very personal question. How are you using your stability right now? If you are at the stability stage, are you building or are you settling? Are you saying, the struggle has been so much? Remember, you have not reached the destination. Stability gives you options, but wisdom determines your choice. Let me leave you with this encouragement. Don't waste your stable season. Use it wisely. Build systems, build discipline, build capacity. Your future depends on it. You are still going ahead. We are moving from stability to success, and from success we are going to significance. There's still a long way to go. So stability prepares you. Stability prepares the ground for success in the future. When stability is used well, effort begins to produce visible results. Influence increases, opportunities multiply, and that leads us to the next stage, which we call the success stage. So next week, we're going to move to the success stage. It's a very interesting stage. I look forward to seeing you there. That is the stage where value begins to produce visible results and responsibility increases. It will amaze you that when we get to the success stage, it will be different from what you are thinking. Don't miss it. Thank you for being with me. I see you in the next episode.